Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 5 how to set up a desktop computer with dual monitors for office use. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, we will be connecting the computer tower to the screens. So now I'll bring the tower into the frame. This itself is the computer tower. Now we can have this on the desk or on the floor. For this tutorial, we will be placing this on the desk for demonstration purposes. So, I'll move that to the side. Anything else we don't need, I'll be moving that away. Any Allen keys, spanners, screws, we can place them all in the bag. And now we can place the screens on the table. We can now bring in the VGA cables. Bring in from the clamps, so that's wire number 1, wire number 2, we also need the wires to help the screen turn on. So this is wire number 1. This is the second wire. And now wire number 4. We can use cable tidy if if we have access to that. If not, use a piece of string just to bring the wires together. For health and safety purposes. So, we are now ready to lift up the dual monitors. And so the wires with the plugs can go through the table where we have the hole drilled in. You'll see why in a reason. What is the reason for this? So that's done. Now we need wire number 5 to turn on the tower itself. This can go through the drilled hole in the table. It would be then time to bring in the extension. 3 of the plugs will go on this, and then the plug goes into the wall. If I just bring the camera onto the ground, and now this will need to plug into a wall. So in this tutorial, I demonstrated to you how to connect the computer tower to the dual monitor screens on a stand. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now.